provide innovative lifestyles to our customers worldwide. KOLON firmly practices the core values of one and only. Beginning with nylon development in 1954, KOLON has pursued challenges and growth through continuous diversification into new business areas. Since the early 2000s, KOLON has strategically prioritized investment in the bio and healthcare sector for future growth. Currently, KOLON is enhancing its global competitiveness through an organic network that spans the globe and expanding strategically into the bio-healthcare field by closely cooperating with its affiliates to develop innovative convergent solutions. KOLON Biotech, leveraging the group's synergy, stands at the forefront of advanced biopharmaceuticals with state-of-the-art automated facilities for global expansion, providing tailored and optimized CDMO solutions to meet individual client needs. KOLON Biotech leverages its extensive 17,000 square meter facility to achieve global competitiveness, with a primary focus on maximizing productivity in the field of biopharmaceuticals. From producing investigational products domestically and internationally, to delivering initial commercial supplies, B1 plant offers a range of CDMO services, while B2 plant, equipped with facilities optimized for mass production, operates to enhance global competitiveness. In adherence to the strictest global standards, we implement cGMP systems to deliver top-tier quality CDMO services to our customers. With the foundation of the largest capabilities in domestic cell therapy and CMC, KOLON Biotech manufactures highly competitive biopharmaceuticals in the global market. We are a comprehensive CDMO partner that systematically guides every stage of the process, from process development to manufacturing and commercialization, providing biopharmaceutical solutions tailored to our clients' needs and optimized for customer satisfaction. For early-stage clinical trials, we establish dedicated teams from initial client engagement to IND approval, ensuring tailored services for each product to optimize time and cost efficiency. In the later stages, including commercialization, we emphasize on the establishment and management of manufacturing facilities, optimization of production efficiency, reduction of manufacturing expenses, adherence to regulatory requirements, and development of commercial supply chains to support our clients' successful market entries. Our state-of-the-art 2D automated manufacturing technology enables the minimization of contamination risks and the efficiency improvement in process duration, facilitating the large-scale production of high-quality biopharmaceuticals. In addition, by implementing our adherent cell 3D suspension culture technology, we aim to set long-term goals for our clients and enhance productivity to the maximum level. To ensure the highest quality throughout the manufacturing process, we follow the stringent quality management procedures established by our specialized quality control organization. With a quality system that meets cGMP requirements, we analyze product characteristics and manufacturing data to conduct extensive quality testing, resulting in the development of differentiated advanced biopharmaceuticals. KOLON Biotech, a pioneer in the field of cell and gene therapy CDMO, strategically advances with innovative solutions in the competitive global market, enhancing the value chain of advanced biopharmaceuticals. We should work and create waves to win with innovative, excellent way of research. We are dedicated to fulfilling our customers' vision with CDMO services that captivate global attention. KOLON Biotech.